So, can you drive on the salt flats? Well, yeah, you can. Check it out. There are parts that are smoother, like here. This is, I don't know, kind of the main drag, and then there's some parts over there a little bit. You could see where it's a little bit kind of rougher, more rough. And by smooth, I don't mean smooth, kind of a little bit like, I don't know, a little bit bumpy. Some cars are flying up and down. I'm not sure exactly how fast they're going. Somebody said they were going over 100 miles an hour. And I don't know, it seems a little bit too bumpy for me to be doing that. And I didn't want the salt to be going all over my car. It's just kind of not good for it, and this stuff cakes up. I'm doing like a whole, where am I? 15, 14 miles an hour. Actually, I could pick it up a little bit. Maybe 20 miles an hour. Because I was checking my car, the underside, and the tires, and the mud flaps and stuff, and I had a little bit of cakiness on there. In other words, salt caking onto the mud flaps, but it wasn't like flying up all over the place. So I'm like, all right, that's fine. I'm okay with that. But I know the faster you go, the more that salt is going to be going all over your car, and that is not going to be good for it. So I elected not to fly up and down this this salt, but you know, if you don't care, then yeah, a lot of people don't have a problem doing it, and I guess maybe if you do it once or twice, whatever. Also, I was out here yesterday evening, and it gets really dark, if you can imagine. It gets really dark, and I swear the only way that I knew to find my way back, I think I could kind of tell the mountain range, and I knew like this general direction to head back. But what I had to use, and this is a Tesla, and I'm not sure if you can see this, but here we go. So this is the access road here to get in, and I just pointed the arrow that way, and I was headed like, last night I was headed like over here. I just checked like Google Maps. It was not pointing me in a direction. Like it wasn't doing what it should be doing. It was really weird. Keep that in mind. Don't stay out here late. And but it's super cool. You gotta get out here. These guys, somebody was filming here earlier, and it looks like they still are. There's people who come out here. This is November 2nd, 2024, and it's a little bit cold. I don't know, 49 degrees. I wouldn't call it cold, but maybe that's why there's not a lot of people out here. I don't know. It's a Saturday, and it's nice. It's just really nice. It's not like cars are flying all over the place and you have to worry about it. But yeah, anyway, you want to bring your car out here, just come on out, check the place out, take tons of pictures, drive your car as fast as you want. There's a sign out in the front there, which I'll show. It says like public, whatever. So you can just come out here and drive. I would not, it's really dry also out here now, which is great because I think they have signs there too that say don't drive out here when it's wet. And yeah, I don't know what it gets like, but I would not want to get stuck out here. Yeah, and I see some weird things like this. Looks like people, why isn't that showing? Oh, there it is. People, you know, start a campfire every now and then. You see some tread marks out here. People do donuts. They go a little crazy. It's the first time I've been out here, but this is kind of a bucket list thing. If you're a car guy, gal, get out here. This place is fantastic. I just spent way too much time out here taking pictures, shooting video. I've got a drone. Everything about this place is just super, super cool. I just get out here. It's really neat. And if you want to see the stuff that I took, the footage, follow me, TeslaMark on, well, if you're on YouTube here, or TeslaMark on Instagram.